Hello, today we are going to talk about AFIB on the Apple Watch. So, today in front of me is Apple Watch SE first generation, and it doesn't matter which Apple Watch you have, it is all going to work the same on the all Apple Watches. So, the AFIB is an atrial fibrillation, first of all, and this is an irregular and very often rapid heart rhythms. So this means that there is something wrong with your heart and with your heart rhythm. So it can be stress, it can be some illnesses, and very various options. But this is not good for your health, basically. And your Apple Watch is going to check your heartbeat through the day various times. And if you go to the apps and go to the heart monitor option, as you can see, heart rate, this is going to measure your heartbeat. As you can see right now, I have 77 BPM, and various times through the day the watch is going to measure your heartbeat. And if the Apple Watch is going to monitor some bad heartbeat, like gonna monitor the AFIB, every Monday you are going to get notification on the Apple Watch and also in the Health app on the iPhone, which is connected to your Apple Watch, about these things right here. So this is all going to be displayed in this section every Monday. So, and if there is everything okay with you, so there will be displayed the information that AFIB is 2% or less, and this is normal. If it's above, you should contact to your doctor and talk with him about this. Maybe there is something wrong with your heart. So stay healthy, and thanks for watching. I hope it helped. If it did, please hit subscribe and hit a like. Bye.